Hello, YouTubers. I'm a little sick. Don't worry, I'll be okay. I don't think it's anything serious, but my voice is a little short. But I've got a new impression coming right up for all of you, my loyal subscribers. Okay, here it is. It's that guy from Police Academy who made all the sound effects. It's gonna be great. Here it goes. He's got a big afro. Here's my afro. Put my afro on. Okay, here we go. Police Academy sound effects guy. Sergeant, I think we got a code red. Okay, and as an added treat, I'm gonna do the scene from Police Academy 4 when he calls the captain to go get the guy who's on an escape. Here he goes. Captain, we got a man on the loose. We got a man on the loose. We got a man on the loose. Okay, YouTubers. I hope you have a wonderful, fantabulous day. And I'm gonna try to feel better. I'm gonna take a little vitamin C, maybe a little beta carotene, take some Ensure, and I should be feeling better within the next few days. And I'm gonna have another great impression for all of you. Have a fantabulous one.